Hi, it's Alexey again. My course is that no matter what I start building, it ends up as decorative lights. Coffee tables, shelves, trees, eggs. So today's topic is LEGO light kits. They're amazing, once assembled, on display, switched on, and if you don't plan to disassemble it, they're perfectionist nightmare, brick stress, but hey, once you have this beauty, it will collect dust only to be switched on big occasions. You just always forget to press a button. To enjoy it every day, it really needs to be part of lighting scenarios. Look, I switch on TV and light is dimmed, all trinkets start shining. When I'm finished and go to sleep, I press a button on a wall switch and all lights go off. You can get it working with smart plugs. But the only solution which works incredible, not so-so, not mediocre, incredible, is WLED. It is a firmware which runs on ESP32 boards and controls almost any LEDs you can find. And it integrates well with smart home. I use it in all my new setups, including this shelf. Stock light kit takes 5 volts from USB to a splitter to an LED. All we need to do is add a transistor to the ground wire and connect it to one of these cheap, easily obtainable ESP32 boards. One transistor for each light group actually. We also need software and smart home ecosystem, which luckily is readily available. Now to my favorite part. It's great if you have the right tool for the job. Engineering is what happens if you don't have the tool. Do you create one? Do you find an alternative process? Do you challenge the task itself? How do you balance requirements and capabilities available to you? With point-to-point wiring and creative component placement, I've got a solution in a couple of hours. This process is error-prone. I did screw up and that's why it took hours. It is absolutely unscalable, which is fine for a prototype. And this is very different from Alex's CPU approach, who has designed a proper PCB which you can order to be factory manufactured. The only problem is a long lead time, and that is too big for this particular set. While this solution fits perfectly underneath the base and the connector is within the reach of the original light kit wiring. I could have designed a similar PCB, but the last time I did that was 7 years ago to get HR's attention. My skills are rusty. That would have taken me a couple of days. TLDR. Now this sparkling thing is controllable from the phone and generally does the right thing. Thanks for watching. This is a special bonus for those who watch to the very end. No, I don't have a turntable. But I had at hand a faulty hard drive, motorized dolly and my trusty tripod.